to show you this can organizer that I received from the company. I'm trying really hard to replace things in my kitchen and get my stuff more organized and just be more efficient with the space that I have. You know, like counter space and cabinet space is not endless in our house, and we have a family of 5, so there's lots of food and stuff. So I wanted to give you a close look. First of all, the plastic on here is really nice. I have in the past bought some of my organizing containers and stuff at the dollar store. I'm no longer doing that because I find that the quality of that is just not as good and it ends up breaking. So I really love how the quality of this plastic is really like thick. I'm not worried about it breaking. You could throw it in the dishwasher if it gets gross. And it does come with like these pads that you could put on. And then how it works is like you get all of these in here so you can adjust however you want it depending on your cabinet that you're putting it in. And then these metal poles that go in there. Super simple to do. It takes like 2 seconds. It's not a big deal. And then you get these feet to make sure that it doesn't slide around. So I'll do one really quick and then I'll show you what it's like with the cans themselves. So see, you just like pop this in. Again, like 2 seconds, really. My kid could do this for sure. Sometimes I have my 9-year-old put this stuff together for me because I find that he's like getting really good at it and it gives him something to do. So it makes it like a little helpful. So I wouldn't hesitate to give this to my 9-year-old to put together. So you just line them up, pop them in, and then the cans go right on there, and you can organize it however you want in the way of like the height, depending on your cabinet space. So I find that to be really nice. These are just like standard, you know, Whole Foods cans, beans. So I have like a ton of tomato cans. I buy that in bulk, and so I could put this like in my pantry, in the garage maybe, just to get things out of the cabinet and organized, and then you could like see what you have. So I love that the cans go this way and they lie sideways. So, you know, you're not trying to like stack it and shove a bunch in one spot. Really happy with this. If you need help organizing something, definitely go ahead. Oh, and it also has these like ridges on them, so they roll to the front, which is cool, so they don't get like stuck back here, but then you can stack a bunch of them going this way too. So really happy with this purchase.